Have you ever wanted to talk about your job in English, but did not know where to start? Maybe someone asks, "So, what do you do?" And you freeze, right? Well, not anymore.
Because today, we are going to help you speak naturally and confidently about your work, like a real English speaker.
And do not worry, this is not a boring grammar class. We're talking real English, the kind you can use tomorrow at work, school, or even online.
So, grab your tea, sit back, and let's talk jobs, dreams, and funny work stories together.
Okay, Sabi, let's start simple. How do you usually answer when someone says, "What do you do?"
That question. It sounds easy, but it is actually tricky for English learners. I usually say, I work as a social media marketer. Or sometimes, I am a marketer. I help brands grow online.
Exactly. That's a great answer. So, if you're listening right now, repeat after us, okay?
I work as a teacher. I work as a driver. I work as a nurse.
Or, if you want to sound a bit more natural, I'm a teacher. I'm a designer. I'm a chef. Can you say that? Go on, try it.
Perfect! Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect yet. We'll practice more.
Here's a fun tip. When someone asks, "What do you do?" you can also add where you work.
Yeah, like I work at a hospital. I work in a school. I work for a big company.
Let's break that down. Use at for places like offices or buildings, at a bank, at a store. Use for when you talk about a company, for Google, for my uncle's business.
Nice. Okay, quick quiz for you listening at home. If I say, I work blank, a restaurant, what's the correct word? At? For? In?
I think it's at.
Yes, you got it. I work at a restaurant. Good job if you said it right.
Okay, Sabi, let's get personal. What is your job really like? Tell our listeners.
Okay, my job is fun, but sometimes crazy. I work in social media, right? So every day is different. One day, I'm writing captions. The next day, I am planning campaigns.
That sounds fun. You are like a creative machine.
Well, I try. What about you, Aisha? Tell us about your work.
So, I am an ESL coach. I teach English to students from around the world. Some are from Japan, others from Brazil, even Pakistan. And every time I learn something new from them.
That's beautiful. You know, teaching is not just a job. It is like building bridges. Different people, different cultures, connected through language.
Exactly. And I love when my students finally say something in English and smile, like, "Oh, I did it." That feeling is priceless.
Yeah, I get that. When a post I create goes viral, I feel the same. It's not about fame, it's about connection.
Okay, your turn, listener. Can you tell us what's your job?
Say it out loud right now, do not be shy. I'm a... Yes, fill in the blank. I am a teacher. I am a mechanic. I am a student.
Nice! You sound great already.
Oh, my mornings. Well, first I drink a lot of coffee. Then I check emails, reply to clients, and plan my to-do list.
Let's talk about daily work life, what we do every day. Sabih, what's your morning like? Classic office morning. I start my day with tea and music, something calm. Then I prepare my lessons.
Listeners, repeat after me, okay? I start my day with coffee. I start my day with tea. I start my day with emails.
Good job. And what about after that? What do you do at work?
I usually make posts, talk to my team, and edit videos. Sometimes I go out to meet clients.
Perfect. You can say, I usually, to describe your daily routine.
Try it. Repeat after us. I usually start work at 9. I usually finish at 5. I usually have lunch with my friends.
Nice and natural. And if you don't do it every day, say sometimes.
Like, sometimes I work late. Sometimes I work on weekends.
Exactly. We all do that sometimes.
Too often, actually.
Okay, Sabiha, let's talk about one of the most interesting parts of any job, coworkers and bosses.
Oh yes, that's where all the stories come from. You can love your job, but if your coworkers are funny, annoying, or weird, your day gets very interesting.
Totally true. So learners, today we will help you describe people you work with in English.
Right. You can start by saying, I work with, then add a person. I work with friendly people. I work with my best friend. I work with a small team.
Or you can say, my coworkers are, like, my coworkers are kind. My coworkers are helpful. My coworkers are funny.
Now, what about the boss? How can we talk about the boss politely?
Good question. If your boss is nice, you can say, my boss is kind. My boss is understanding. My boss helps me when I have problems.
And if your boss is not so nice, you can say, my boss is very strict, or my boss is serious.
Yes, please don't say bad words. We keep it polite in English.
Always.
So, dear listener, can you describe your boss or coworkers? Try now. Say one sentence.
Good! You are doing great. Remember, it is not just about words. It is about confidence.
Now let's move on to where you work. Some people work in offices. Some people work in schools, hospitals, restaurants, or even from home.
Right, and you can describe your workplace with adjectives. For example, my office is big. My office is quiet. My office is near the city.
Or if you work at home, you can say, I work from home. I work in my room. I work online.
That's me. I work from home most of the time. My office is my laptop, my chair, and my coffee cup.
Same here. Sometimes my cat joins the meeting too.
Oh yes, pets in meetings, the new normal.
Let's practice describing your workplace, okay? Repeat after me. I work in a hospital. I work in an office. I work in a shop. I work from home.
Perfect. And if you want to describe what it's like, you can say, my workplace is noisy. My workplace is busy. My workplace is comfortable.
Nice. So, Sabi, how would you describe your workplace?
My workplace is small, but creative. I have posters on the wall, a bright light, and my laptop in the middle.
That sounds cozy. I'd love to work there.
Yeah, it is my happy place.
Okay, Sabi, now let's share something funny from work. Do you have a story?
Oh, yes. I remember once I joined a client meeting on Zoom, and I didn't realize my mic was on. I was talking to my cat, like, you silly little baby. And the client was like, good morning, Sabi.
Oh no, that's so funny.
I wanted to disappear.
That's the best story ever. I had a similar one. I once said, "Okay, students, let's take a break," and forgot to mute my mic. Then I started singing.
Oh, wow. I can imagine that.
See, everyone, even teachers and marketers, make funny mistakes at work. It is okay to laugh at yourself sometimes.
Yes, work does not have to be serious all the time. When you talk about your job in English, you can also share fun or crazy moments. It makes your story sound real.
Exactly. Try saying this. One funny thing happened at work. Or, one time, my coworker made a joke.
Nice! Go ahead, say it out loud. Think of something funny from your work or school.
Good job! You sound natural already. Now, let's talk about feelings. Do you like your job? Do you love it? Or maybe you don't.
Yeah, sometimes people feel happy about their job, sometimes tired, right?
Exactly. So you can say, I like my job, I love my job, or my job is difficult, my job is stressful.
And sometimes you can mix it up. My job is hard, but I like it. My job is busy, but fun.
Yes, that's natural English.
So, listener, tell us now, do you like your job? Say it out loud.
Nice. And if you don't have a job yet, you can say, I'm a student. I'm looking for a job. I want to be a teacher.
Good job. You're learning fast.
Okay, now let's have a fun mini role play. Imagine you're in an interview. We'll be the interviewers, and you will be the candidate.
Ready? Don't worry, it's easy.
Can you tell me about yourself?
You can answer, my name is blank, and I'm from blank. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in a company.
Perfect. Next question. What do you do at work?
You can say, I help customers. I design products. I teach English.
Yes! And remember to smile when you answer. Even if it's just practice, it builds confidence.
Absolutely. Now, let's do one more. What do you like about your job?
You can answer, I like helping people. I like learning new things. I like working with my team.
Perfect! You're doing great. Seriously, you're ready for any interview.
Let's dream for a moment. If you could do any job in the world, what would you choose?
I did love to be a filmmaker. Telling stories through a camera, that's my dream.
That's awesome! I'd love to be a travel vlogger, exploring the world, meeting new people, learning cultures.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Okay, listener, your turn. What's your dream job? Say it right now.
Good one. Whether you said doctor, artist, pilot, or teacher, you can make it happen.
Yes! Keep practicing English. Keep learning, because English will open doors to those dreams.
Wow, Aisha, we covered so much today. We talked about jobs, workplaces, coworkers, interviews, and even dreams.
Yes, and if you're listening, you did amazing. Every time you repeat, speak, or even think in English, you get closer to fluency.
Exactly. So keep practicing. Talk about your job, your day, your dreams, even if you're alone, because every word you say builds your confidence.
And if you liked today's episode, hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment. Tell us, what's your job or what's your dream job?
We will read your answers in the next episode. Thank you for spending time with us. You're amazing!
Stay happy, Stay curious and keep speaking English every day.
See you next time and keep learning with us.